Hey, I'm Fish. I'm using Wondershare Filmora 14. Notice my webcam, I'm moving it up so I could get to these taskbars that has the stop recording there. If this is blocked, I won't be able to get there at all. That's not my problem right now. This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro right here that's hooked up. It's HEVC. I never had this problem with this PC when I opened up, and I know how to fix it, and I'm going to fix it. If I open up my video, check this out. Look how small that bad boy is. It's playing the video, but it's going to tell me I am missing codecs. In order for this to go big now, I now have to go search. In order for me to play my videos, and these are over here, this video's right here, I don't need this window open. If I play this on my regular player again, I can't play. Open with, show, properties, edit, equalizer, cast, video settings, so forth. This video is an MP4, HEVC, and can't use media player anymore. Nowhere in here does it say that I need to purchase anything at all. So we go here, we right click, open with, let's go movies and TV. Windows has updated. Now they tell me my codecs are missing. They're no longer. So now, if I keep on going down the lineup, photos. Photos is the only one that tells me that I need to load an extension, download and install. And it costs 99 cents. I'm not paying 99 cents for codecs. I'm simply going to refactory format my machine, get it back, and stop the updates. The next one, open up with media player and search the store. And this is media player. It don't play. It don't play at all. It keeps it very small. I have to wait for that delay. Now I'm just going to take this video. I'm going to highlight it, right click it. I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to show more options because I need to open up more options. I want to rename it. I can't just rename it. I have to figure out how to rename it. I need to go into view. And in view, I go show hidden items. I believe it's hidden items. Please forgive me. View and options. View. I gotta look for options. File name extensions. There we are. And I just click it till I see MP4. I could come here and change this to WMV. Say yes. Now I don't know what it looks like. Play it. It don't work. So changing the video extension file don't work. Can I change it back? Change it back. MP4. I see what happens. And then play it. Now this is codecguide.com, download kl.html. The KLite, come over here to the server one. Save. Set up. Follow the instructions.
For the next two Florida season above average temperatures, down freezing or below freezing day after day.
As you read all this information, make sure everything you do is correct and install. I just brought myself back to my pages where my videos are at. We're almost finished. It's at the end. Now we just got to wait for this to finish. Now everything has 3, 2, 1 into it. Not what I want. Open up the video. And there we go. So now all my videos will play because of a program not doing what I want it to do. But this is not the player I like. I like my old player. But that solves the problem with codecs. I hope you love Windows. Windows is not the best in the world anymore.